December 23rd, 2022. We got a snowstorm going on. It's like 0 degrees outside. Was going to film outside, but couldn't hear my voice over the wind because it was just blowing like crazy. So I figured I'd come in here and stand by the window and wish everybody a Merry Christmas, even though the weather's kind of junky where I am. It's nice and cold. Can't go out and play very much or stay outside very long. And also apologize. I know I haven't filmed very much or uploaded very many videos, but I'm going to get back into it. Life got kind of busy there for a while, so here we are. Snowstorm of 2022, December 23rd. It's blowing 0 degrees. Last night it was cold. Chickens are doing good. Just wanting to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, even though the weather's so junky. Blowing. Probably can't see the treetops very much. So it's Bloomy Rich. Wishing everybody Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Be safe out on the roads. So I'll start uploading as much as I can. Like the comments. Please subscribe.